Discovery RC T-Rex radio-controlled action dinosaur. This remote-controlled dinosaur comes with a wireless controller and roars with just one touch. The soft skin means you can really take advantage of sensory activities for children. It has a built-in speaker that sounds almost like a real dinosaur, enough to scare your friends. At 16 inches, this dino is half the size of Wowie, but it also costs a lot less. 3 AA batteries are included in the package, which is a great thing because it's such a nuisance to have to get separate batteries for such toys. Otherwise complete, this dino only requires you to do a bit of work on its tail. But it is good to go after just a few minutes of assembly. Because of its simplicity and easy operation, this toy is better suited for little kids. Children love anything that roars, and this little dino is sure to be their next favorite toy. You might need to get earbuds because they will be making this robot dinosaur toy roar all day. Positives: lifelike toy, remote control to make little kids feel in control, 16 inches long, suitable for toddlers. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.